Hey everyone, so as promised, let's whip up a Mr. Black Espresso Martini. Now these are one of my favorite martinis because I love the little crema that you get, and we can all look like professionals in one shake. Anyway, so we start off with our espresso martini mix. For those who are wondering how to make it, it's got it right on the back here. We've got 60 mils of Mr. Black and 30 mils of espresso, so super easy to make. Without further ado, let's all make it up in the glass. Pop in a handful of ice. Bang. First ingredient, we've got our 60 mils of our Mr. Black. We're gonna use the big jigger, so this one's easy. Big side, 60 mil. Straight in. Awesome. And followed by 30 mil of our espresso, cold brew, espresso, coffee concentrate from industry beans. So what do? We'll do our little 30. Epic. There's only one way to make, the proper original recipe, and that's using industry beans. I just love the crema that you get, as I said before. Anyway, shake. You want to shake this quite vigorously. You want to break that ice down just a little bit, not too much. All right, that's getting nice and cold there. And now we'll grab our glass, pop it there, nice and shaken up, strainer on top, and just give it a pour. No need to double strain this because the beans are already filtered. Everything is beautiful and delicious. Awesome. And there we have our Mr. Black Espresso Martini. Just give it a moment because I just want you to see that separation, the foam, the crema, as that drops down. Absolutely beautiful. Wow, look at that. Oh. Look at that. Beautiful, look at that separation. You've got your dark brown, your caramel, your light crema. Anyway, cheers to you, cheers to me. Thank you, Mr. Black. Now that is the perfect drink before you start a long day of work.